Understanding the power of lead generation funnels. Lead generation funnels. They sound complicated, right? But trust me, they're not. Think of a funnel as a roadmap. It guides your ideal customers toward becoming loyal clients. This roadmap has different stages. Each stage moves your potential customer closer to saying yes to your product or service. From the first spark of interest to the final purchase, the funnel is your secret weapon. It's about building relationships, not just collecting names. It's about showing your audience you understand their problems and have the solutions. Now, let's dive into why this matters for your B2B success. Why lead generation is crucial for B2B growth. In the B2B world, relationships are everything. You're not selling a one-time product, you're building lasting partnerships. That's where lead generation comes in. It's about attracting the right businesses, the ones who truly need your solutions. Instead of chasing after anyone and everyone, you're focusing on quality leads. These are businesses that have already shown interest in what you offer. They fit your ideal customer profile. By nurturing these leads through a well-designed funnel, you increase your chances of converting them into paying clients. This means more sales, stronger relationships, and sustainable growth for your business. Stage 1. Sparking awareness. Grabbing your audience's attention. Imagine your ideal client scrolling through LinkedIn. They're bombarded with content. How do you stand out? This is the awareness stage. It's about getting on your audience's radar. Think of it as a friendly introduction. Practical tips for sparking awareness. Create valuable blog posts that address your ideal client's pain points. Share engaging content on social media platforms where your audience hangs out. Use eye-catching visuals to capture attention in a crowded online space. For example, let's say you're a marketing automation company. You could create a blog post titled 5 Signs Your B2B Marketing Needs Automation. This directly addresses a pain point and positions you as a helpful resource. Stage 2. Cultivating interest. Nurturing leads with valuable content. You've got their attention. Now it's time to keep them engaged. This is the interest stage. Here you're providing valuable content that positions you as an expert and builds trust. Practical tips for cultivating interest. Offer free downloadable resources like checklists, templates, or ebooks in exchange for their email address. Host webinars or online workshops that provide in-depth information about your area of expertise. Use email marketing to stay top of mind and deliver consistent value. Let's go back to our marketing automation example. You could offer a free marketing automation checklist in exchange for signing up for your email list. This provides immediate value to the lead while allowing you to nurture the relationship further. Stage 3 and 4, guiding decisions and inspiring action, converting leads into customers. Now, your leads are warmed up. They see you as a trusted resource. It's time to guide them towards making a decision and taking action. This involves showcasing your solutions in detail, addressing any objections they might have, and making it easy for them to say yes. Practical tips for guiding decisions and inspiring action. Offer free trials or demos of your product or service. Share case studies and testimonials from satisfied customers. Use clear and compelling calls to action on your website and in your marketing materials. For our marketing automation company, this could mean offering a free trial of their software or showcasing case studies of how their software helped other B2B businesses achieve significant results.